Hi guys, this is a video on external species of the parasitic flukes, and pretty much what I did is I went to this website, found a bunch of fluke parasites, and then looked into more scholarly sources for them. Today we're doing external species, so the ones on the outside of the fish-ish. And there'll be another video on internal species. So we've broken it up into monogenins and digenins. Obviously, I have a lot more digenins. And looking in the parentheses, you can see which ones are exterior. This includes the skin, the eyes, and the gills. I included the gills on the as outside because it would be too much to split it up as in the internal location. So skin flukes, we have Gradactylus, which is this beautiful parasite right here. It's also known as the salmon leech. So it hooks onto the outside of the fish and filters for nutrients. It's viviparous, which means it gives live birth. It has 2 points at the anterior end. So that's the anterior end, the mouth, the head. This is the posterior end, which is not the head. So there's no vaccines for it. And the treatment is a solution of praziquantel at 3 parts per million. Another skin fluke is Apophyllus brevis, which causes this very characteristic black spot. It's common in brook trout, and it is, when in the fish, it is in its cercaria form. This is also another black spot species, Neacaeus. Oh, this is a monogenin, and these are digenins, as indicated by the M or the B's. So it is black spot, but it's a different kind of black spot. So this is peppering, and these ones much bigger spots, but more space in between. And this is an immune response of pigment buildup around the parasites, which causes pigment buildup. So that's what it looks like as a close-up. And so just because it's black spot doesn't mean you automatically know what it is. Just keep in mind. Gill flukes. So first gill fluke is Dactyloporus, which is a monogene, and it's common in crappie and bass. It has eye spots. So here are its eye spots, and it has anchoring hooks. So this is where it hooks on. And the treatment is, again, a solution of prazoquinone, or you can do salt treatments on this. Those are not the only treatments, just some suggestions. Echinoic chamasma is a dineagen, and so here's the gill. Oh, and so these are the gills. These are gills, and so a close-up of that is here, and you can see the very dark, a lot of hooks around the oral sucker, and it's very common in dace, chub, pike minnows, and whitefish. This last gill fluke that we'll be talking about is Nitsacha stranonis, and that's another digen. It's very common digenin in the sturgeon, and it can be treated with a solution, a 3-hour bath of praziquantel at 10 milligrams per liter. This one is a lot bigger. These guys are like very microscopic. This one's so much larger. Sometimes even like you can see it pretty easily with your naked eye. So yeah. And lastly is the eye fluke. This is Diplostomum spathoxalum, and it is a dineagen. It's common in channel cat, sticklebacks, and salmonoids, among plenty of other species too. It's just what they're common in. Very, very common in sticklebacks. You can treat them in sodium percarbonate at 20 milligrams per liter or higher, and filtration. So the filtration will, if like in your pond, you filter out, it catches the big ones, and then that sodium percarbonate kills the smaller larvae. So this is a great image of it, with its very distinctive two, like, I want to call them flagella, that, whip around and help it move. And that's it for today. So these are the external parasite species for flukes.